Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to KSNT News here on your Tuesday morning. April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and joining me today to talk about this very serious and important issue is Gail from the Kansas Children's Service League and Reva from Child Care Aware. And this is such an important topic nationwide, but what is the significance? What is the problems that we're seeing here in Kansas in terms of child abuse and neglect?
So in Kansas, we've seen an increase in children that are being removed from their homes due to abuse and neglect. We're over 7,000 children that are currently in foster care in the state of Kansas. Unfortunately, what people don't realize is that for us as taxpayers, that's a real burden on us, because children who experience trauma in their childhood have a whole lot of early onset behaviors of smoking, drinking, early sexual activity, and health problems as they become adults. And so all of those things have an impact on their ability to be productive adults, but also a financial impact on our community.
And I know organizations like yours are all working with the mission that every child should grow up in a great environment and happy. And what programs do we have today that are helping with that mission?
So that's part of the reason why I brought Reva with me today. Yes. Is because, you know, what we know is that brain development for children, the largest part of that is during 0 to 5. And so we know early childhood is the best place to reach kids and make sure that they're doing well. But also it's the time to reach their parents. It's the time when they're the most willing to learn new skills. And so Reva and I and several other community partners really work together collaboratively to ensure that kids have safe and stable homes, safe and stable childcare. We know how important that is for children in order for them to continue to develop and grow healthy.
And it's really hard being a parent. Yeah. And we want people to know that there are services out there in our community that all they have to do is reach out and get connected with some of the supports because they are out there, and there's no shame in saying, I need some help. Right. So that's one of the most important messages, is that early intervention is so important and that there are resources out there to provide support to families.
Yeah, absolutely. Being a parent is one of the hardest jobs out there, in my opinion. Now, of course, awareness, that is key, and our state of Kansas takes that very seriously. You have pinwheels all over our county here.
We do. They're popping up all over the place. So the pinwheel is the national symbol, the blue pinwheel, for just to let people know about child abuse prevention and the importance of that. And so we have pinwheel gardens that are being planted all over the place. You'll see them as you're driving downtown, and there's several churches that have also joined in this effort. So we're very excited.
And I do know there's information on the pinwheels as well, so you can grab one. Some kids have been going up.
That.
Yes. So definitely make sure you do that. We also want to provide the 1-800 number for Kansas Protection Report Center. This is for anybody who thinks a child is being abused or neglected. This is from DCF here in Kansas. So if you know of any child that is a concern for being abused or neglected, please call that 1-800 number. Ladies, thank you so much for joining us here on the show this morning and helping us become more aware of this very serious topic and the programs, the wonderful programs we have here locally.
Thank you. Thank you.